Hello, guys, and welcome to the section where I'm going to be showing you how to create courses on AI Course Centric. Now, to get started, you need to log into your dashboard and go right to my courses menu right on the left side bar, and you come right here to create a new collection. Now, collection means you're categorizing your courses into a collection where you have related courses. In a particular collection, you can have multiple courses right in there. So we start right here by creating a collection. You input the name of the collection, and right here you can add a thumbnail to the collection right there, and come right here and click on continue. Now, once it's done, you click on done. Now you can see right here we have created a new collection. Now the next thing is to start creating courses in this particular collection. Now you come right here, you can click on this thumbnail that was created, that was uploaded rather, or you come right here to this icon to click on view courses. Now this takes you to where you're going to create course, a mini course. You can create multiple courses right in this particular collection. Now I come right here, click on create mini course. Now you can create mini course from three different ways. The first one right here is the AI assistant. The second one is from scratch, and the third one are from use case ideas. So AI Course Centric has pretty much templates where you can pick from to proceed to your creation of courses right away. Now for this in this tutorial, we're going to be using the AI assistant, and you see how fast is it create course on the go. Now you click on this and click on the next. So right here, this takes us to the next phase where we can select either we're going to be creating course for the purpose of the course with link or embedded. Now right here, you can select one and you click on the next. Now the next one right here is to describe your course idea. Now first, you input the profession. What is your profession? You input your profession right there. And the second one is a target audience for this course you are creating. And the third one is a description of the course. Now, right here is where you input this, and you come right here to click on generate titles for these courses, where you're going to see list of titles where you can select from. Now you can also choose to regenerate this title right away. Now once you're done generating the title, you click on next. You can see we have a list of titles right here, 1 to 10. Now you can look at this title and see which one would you like to pick to further create your course on. Now right here we're just going to pick one. You can modify these titles. Don't forget that they are easily modified. You can easily modify them, and don't forget to select a particular one. And then when you select, you see that outlines for these courses has been generated, which means subheadings. Now, once you're done with that, you click on next. Now you can see these outlines right away. You can see um, these are the outlines. You can add more header to this. You can see input your header right away, and you can remove anyone you are not comfortable with. And once you're done with this, the next thing is click on next. Now right here is this section is where you select the theme or the template you want to use for your course when it's being viewed by um, users. Now you can select any of them, or you can choose to ignore. This is the default one right here with white background. But I'm gonna go with this and it clicks on finish. Now right here our course is being created. You can see right here that our course is being created. Hello guys, so right here you can see view all the courses subheading. Right here you can see introduction, understanding your audience till the very end. Now also don't forget right here you can add a new card in between. Once you click on this plus sign right here, you create a new card right there, and you're going to see new headings. You can see new headings right here. You can see it right here, and you can choose to delete this very card right here. So guys, there's a lot more to do, and you can start generating your content for each of the headings, for each of the title. AI can help you achieve that. Once you click on generate, come right here, you can see generating course content. All right, our course content is being generated. You can see it right here. Now also right here, you can also generate for each of the headings that was generated. You can see AI doing everything smooth and clear for us right away. You can see it right here. Now there are other options that can be done here. You can see right here you can upload an image. Here you can upload an image directly from your PC. You can use AI to generate a new image. You describe your image and you click on generate. So right here in a short time, AI will generate an image, or we can also use a link here to generate to get an image, to upload an image right on. And once you're done, you can click on use image right here. Also, you can translate your courses to different languages right here that are listed. Let's say for example French. Once you select French, it's going to translate to French. Translate all the course outline, the headings, and the content also. So you can see right here that this is translated to French. You can see the content. Bienvenue dans this, and it goes on and it goes on. So take it back to English. So right here, we've taken this back to English, and as you can see, we're back. So the next thing right here, you can choose to have your course in different formats. It could be text only, it could be text and video. And right here on AI Course Centric, it offers you the privilege to create AI videos, which is an amazing feature. And right here to generate videos, you just come right here to click on generate videos, and you're going to see list of actors you can choose from. And this is paginated. You can go to the next page and you can see you load more actors right here. Now you can select the specific actors of your choice. Right here you're going to see details about the actor who is going to be speaking about your course. Now you can see right here, and also you can select the specific language the actor is going to be using. Could leave it for English or any other language that are listed right here. Now once you're done with this, you click on continue, and the video is going to start generating right away. You can see right here that the video is still rendering, and you can always refresh this to check if the video is done. So right here you can see that our video has been generated with AI, which is amazing. And once we play this video,
The course
and once we
creation or
play this
looking to
video, you
improve
can
your
hear
existing skills. This course will provide you with practical tips and strategies to help
You can see
you
right
design
here
and
that it is saying exactly what is in our content of this section. Now you can generate more videos for other sections in the same way. Now the next thing right here, you can export your course to PDF, and also you can change the theme of your course right here. And right here is the settings where you get to set up your course for monetization, or you want to you want to get leads from your courses, where users has to input their email and other details for them to access the course, or you can sell the course right away. So a tutorial will be on settings where you get to see how to set up those things. And right here is the report of your course performance, and here is where you can um, have your share. This is your share link right here, and also you can embed this on a web page using this code snippet right here. Once you click on copy, and you can paste it right there. Also right here you can view the course, how it's going to look like before the users right there. You can see it right here, and you can share this course on X, on Facebook, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, and Telegram. You can see the course is ready right here. So we're just going to go back to our editing page, and right here on the report, you're going to see how the course is performing. So you can see right here, course 1 visitor and course views, and you can see other analytics right here. So this is how you create a course and manage your courses, your collection here on AI Centric. Thank you.